Children, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss about, or we are going to learn about, in fact, about the helping verb. As I told you before, is, are, was, were, and am. They are all called helping verbs. Today we are going to learn was and were, like how you have learned about is and are. For is and are, they are present form. Is used for one, are is used for many. Similarly, was and were, children, was and were, they are the past form, beta. Okay, they are the past form, that is the activity which were over. For that we are going to use was and were. So was will be used for a singular noun when you're talking about one thing, and when we're talking about many thing, more, one or more, then we are going to use were. Please remember, is and are is a present form. Is we used for one noun, are we used for many nouns. Similarly, was and were जो है ना, ये past form of the verb, मी activity which are over yesterday जो खत्म हो गया. But was will we will be using was for one noun and were for more than one noun. Through examples we are going to learn and you will come to know. So remember, we use was and were to talk about some event or person or events in time frame which has already been passed, the activity which are over. Now, once again, the word was and were are used in the past tense. Use the word was when there is a singular noun, and were should be used when there is a plural noun. Okay, children, let us study now. Now, see here, was and were. Now, we are talking about he. He is one person, that is why was. He was tired. Here, she is also one person, that is why she was there. वो वहाँ पे थी. I is one person. I was very annoyed. Okay. Again, it is also one. It was not a good day for me. Here, it is not for the boy. It is used for day. कि वो दिन अच्छा नहीं था. It was not a good day for me. So remember, he, she, I, and it. They are all singular. We're talking about one person. That is why was we have to use. Next, again, one more example, similarly same. It was not a good day for me. Now here we. We means more than one. That is why were. We were at the meeting. With you, always you have to tell about were because you're talking about the second person. Two people are here. So you were playing. Okay, here again, once again, we were too late. Or you can use the word instead of we, they. They were too late. They, we, more than one. Okay, ज़्यादा noun है बेटा. That is why were. Here more example. First one, the children dash late to school. The children were, why children means many, so were. We, many, so were. Those. First I'll begin with this, then afterward I'll take that. Why? Why were you so tired yesterday? With why were you? With you have to use were. You were. Why were you? Okay. Now 1 minute. Those chocolates, more than one. So were those flowers. We're talking about more than one. So were those flowers expensive? Okay, children. So please remember, children, that was is used for singular noun and were is used for the plural noun. Let's now once again I'll tell you was and were. With I was, he was, she was, it was. Now we and they are more, and with you always were. You cannot say you was. Okay, we were, you were, they were. ठीक है am is and are, they are all present tense as I told you, and was and were, they are all in past form beta. That is what the same sentence also will be in the past form only. Let us begin with the worksheet, children. Worksheet number 6. Now again here you have to write was and were beta. Here we are talking about I. So I was one noun. She na again one. So was. You, with you always were. Okay. Now next again you, again were. You were. I was one. They more than one, so they were. Again we more than one, so we were. Again boys, talking about many boys, so boys were. Very simple and very easy. Here are some sentences from the story in your course book. The word was and were have been left out. Write them. Okay, once there dash a miller. Now here we are talking about a. A means we are talking about one person only. A miller. So was. The king again one king. So was. This is was. W-A-S was. This is not clear. Let me rub and write again. This one. Okay, miller only one person, so was. King also one. In the morning there dash gold. Now gold is uncountable noun, we cannot count. So the uncountable noun we cannot use a plural, so we have to use was. Was. By morning, that is in the morning there was gold. Okay, by morning the reels means many, so were, there were. Okay, reels were full of gold. There dash reels. So again reels were many, so there were reels and reels of gold in the room. She and her father, here we are talking about two people are there, more than one, so were worried. Is that clear, children? Now, next, circle the correct option. Was and were, children. Children means many. So, children were playing in the garden. I, with I always was, singular, watching TV last night. Again, I was completing the homework yesterday when you called. ठीक है. The child means one. The child was busy with his friends when I called him. You, with you always were absent in the lobby last class, hobby class today. Rohan, one person, one noun, so Rohan was. ठीक है. Now here question 4, write 2 sentences about what you did yesterday. So this is you have to do it. What you have done. So if you are going to begin with I, what will come? I was. Write 2 sentences about what you did yesterday. Not necessary that you have to write, you have to use was. Okay, just write the sentence which you, whatever you have done yesterday. For example, you can write that I studied yesterday. Okay, I ate apple yesterday. This you try to do it on your own, children. Please, this you try to do it on your own. Okay, rest though I have solved. Okay, or you can, I'll give you example. I prayed to Lord yesterday. I helped my mama yesterday. I played with my brother yesterday. Okay, I skipped 50 times yesterday. I ate noodles yesterday. Any. Okay. ठीक है बेटा. Now that's all for today, beta. I hope you must have understood. Remember, was will go with one noun and were will go with plural. Okay, more than one. Thank you. God bless you, beta.